the 2019 Lexus GX 460. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Lexus prioritized handling and performance with features such as a rear window wiper, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a headlight cleaning system, illuminated running boards, a roof rack, and much more. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.